Yeah, what's up, everybody? You know, this Sound by the Pound, Big Red, for everybody that know me. Just give you a little quick intro of me and how it all started. It started back in probably early 90s, like 89, 90, when I first twisted my first wire to a radio. And it's been history ever since.
Man, shit.
How all that stuff you sound in the Hummel when that goddamn Hummel was nasty.
That Hummel used to slam.
He don't know about
I think I had 415s in that bitch. Man, that motherfucker used to beat. Man, I had Big Red did the music in that truck. He on Instagram now, Big Red. I gotta look at my phone and call out his actual name. I can't even think of it, but Big Red.
Man, remember we had a conversation, man. You know, I pulled the dunk in here, man, and they said, man, we do show called Complete. They looked at the promoter and said, this ain't no race shit. They said, where my music at? But guess what they call it, right? So I say, Big Red comes in, Red, what conversation you had?
Man, you know, I had to keep it real, 100 always. You know, everybody know King Kong, you know what I'm saying? If we want to slam the trunk off that bitch, I'm at the shop every day. When they ain't got shit to do, I'll break the trunk off that motherfucker. But guess what? I said, I'm gonna put the music machine together right here in this goddamn black Z71.
ATL got that one thing in the floor. I know this motherfucker once again, nigga. Y'all we motherfucker. Y'all
I came up from my really y'all ride with you, damn shots, they don't even know it. Off game, floor, TGC front row. Walk through the door, CEO. Ain't got a rapper, you know it. If you don't know that shit, you don't even know it. Y'all ride with you, don't even know it. Got kids with me right now, you don't even know it. It's $1 million watch, you don't even know it. Got $1 million you don't even know it. We got a lot of people, but you see we got a problem on the phone that you wanna guarantee you gonna solve them. Maybe think it's a Rashad. Hit him with the bottle, I'ma let him have it. Starting from the bottom, I'm a dollar, so got all of it. Police don't even call him, it's a Millie if you call him. Resident you want it, it's a ticket if you want it, and I'll show you a little. You can get it if you want it.
Sweeter than the grill and shit. This shit all goddamn natural.
So much fun being here tonight. Can't even.
You put house speakers in people car?
I put a DJ system in your car.
Golly, man.
A beat machine in your trunk.
This man got everything, man.
Like goddamn country ride around here.
Everywhere you look around, amps. They got a whole box full of amps and radio.
Yeah. You need parts, you need screws, we got.
You fix radios and stuff too, don't you?
Oh yeah, we do it all.
This is the welcome all shop.
One stop shop.
How you do it, we call it. You call it, we do it.
They call it choices, baby.
Yeah.
Choices.
They call it choices.
Choices. That's gonna be on the sign. Choices. You make up your mind what you want, we gonna give it to you.
That's right.
Your
Take your
choice.
Run them whole about $20.
Well, I'm trying to get it from Red. I'm just, you know, we going out like that. If I can hold out.
I'm a shout out. I just fucked a fan and she asked for a shout out. Nigga talk great, tryna drug shower. I just had some coke inside the freezer tryna cover. Everything seems different when you smoke a bubble. You a game changer.
I'm the king of this shit. Pound game stew. Yeah.
I cannot lose and I cannot fail. I am the one on the road for real. Live every day, nigga kill. Get up your ass if you don't, nigga will. Nigga need ball, nigga chill with the steel. 90 niggas ain't real. If they get caught, go to jail, they gon' sell. If I get caught, don't tell, I fulfill. Don't run and tell them, I'll serve it still. You know it's the rap, you know how it smell. I'm chicken trap, nigga, right through the mill. Trap little chip by a nigga that's real. You was talking like the king of this taste, and the crystal pain, baby. Smoke still, baby, still. Living this shit like I wanna live.
Hey, Big Red, you a fucking fool. Big Red, sound by the pound. That motherfucker talking and whamming. That shit loud as fuck, boy. I don't even know a donk in Atlanta right now. Nigga don't have to prove me. I don't know a donk. I ain't heard no donk in Atlanta. That shit's loud. That shit loud, Red, for real. And that motherfucker pounding. Nigga had to pull up in the donk to goddamn prove me wrong right now, boy. I said nigga in the donk gonna have to pull up and prove me wrong. You gonna have to show me, boy.
17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Ay. You got it, girl, you got it. No, baby, and I'm back in a Birkin. No, not a box, put the work in. Lost and all, love them all to me, a perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around, get your my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it.
Yeah, Project Box on y'all ass, man. You see it? Yeah. Come holler at me, you want the big dog shit, man.
Hey, share that paper with them, that's some big dog shit. All these hoes wanna suck a big dog. You can't touch a nigga, that's a big dog. Ain't no pressure on the money, yeah, we ballin' on it. You can't say these niggas if I don't like them, mama. Hey, my bitch came and bought me a new chopper for me. Before I seen that address, say, little bitch, I got it. Is you fucking it? Going out the cruiser, little bit chooser, I'm a big dog. Hey, shoot at your medulla, drop your noodle for they big dog. Hey, push up on the scooter with a Ruger, make them get down. Got a baby from Bermuda with some coolers, she gon' get down. She don't wanna fuck no girl, but know that bitch don't want no big dog. Hey, no, sir, I can't fuck you, I don't know you know for shit now. Get up your side, now he can't shit now. Yeah, last week, shot her ass cheek, she still can't shit now. If I come and drop a pack on you, say, tell me if you're ready. Hey, she won't let you fuck cause you can't hang that little bit petty. Hey, my little partner ballin', he spent 40 on Bugatti. Hey, that nigga ain't righteous, he gon' starve you if you let him. Hey, share that paper with him, that's some big dog shit. All these hoes wanna suck a big dog. Hey, you can't touch a nigga, that's a big dog. Ain't no pressure on the money, yeah, we ballin' on it.
I got all this sauce on me. And I still ain't met a nigga dripping sauce like me. Girl, I'm in condition, drop top, I feel like the Fresh Prince. Yo, bitch say I'm sexy, ask me, can she take a selfie? Mr. Davis with the ladies say when they address me. I done got too rich to live, these brokers cost arrest me. Pull back for my hundreds on me, please don't put your hands on me. Hopefully for the house, but he still ain't got more cash than me. Re-rockin' the re-rock like I'm remixing the remix. He just bought a V6, I just want the free drip. Taking it to Birmingham, I'm trying to make it safe. My strap don't got no safety, my safe don't got no space. I came to work with extra weight, I feel like Ed and Lace. 2 piece for the 80, the piece go for the Tracy. All this sauce on me. And I still ain't met a nigga dripping sauce like me. I got all this sauce on me. And I still ain't met a nigga dripping sauce like me.
Throughout the journey of fooling around with cars, I just never stopped trying to learn, trying to make it to the next level. And if you've been in it for a long time, you know the levels don't stop. So to anybody that's really into this type of field or industry, dealing with cars or whatever it may be, motors, fabrication, interior, You cannot think that you know it all. You gotta keep learning, and it really costs to learn. So don't be afraid to spend money and invest in yourself, because that's the only way you're gonna get to the top and have a name for yourself. And people know. I built Sounds by the Pound in 2001 or 2, and that name went from just playing around to a household name. And I met a lot of people around this country and around the world that really respect me for something that I put my thought and hustle and bustle not to give up. And now, y'all see me now, working on a lot of stuff around the city, around the country, state to state.
Une plaie d'étrange avec tu.
So what's some of your favorite projects over the last couple of years?
I'd say to start with, my favorite, let's say 2022, I say I had the most fun messing with Bag Talk Landau. That was a good little project. I mean, we met at your show, and you know, he wanted me to look at the car. I didn't have time, but I felt like I needed to mess with him just because I did like the car, and I wanted to put my stamp on it. And he was from Chicago, so hey, why not put Atlanta in Chicago? So I took the car, told him to drop it off, leave it, because I didn't want to have it transported back and forth. So hey, he left it, I guess, in probably a month. I had did the console, just redid everything, all the interior pieces, dash, whole trunk, you know, made him happy. I guess the second one I'll say, right behind Bag was Wade, the infamous Regal, Lisa Bonet. That was a fun car too, because it was a real challenge. And I told Wade I'd never do a Regal again, but hey, it is what it is. I had to do it for him just because I had to, you know, if you support me, I'm gonna make sure I support you and make my work stand out the best. So, you know, I had to show my dog some love like everybody else, you know. So, yeah, in the Regal, we did full interior, went from cloth to the distressed vinyl. One of the first ones to really do it around here before everybody else tried to catch on. The LED opera lights that wasn't working, laced the whole trunk out, all gel audio, built custom doors. Oh man, the list went on in that car. I ain't gonna lie. That car, like, I like to went in the hospital because I was stressed out so hard on that one. Just going behind, you know, some other people work And people don't realize, man, when you go behind other people's work, man, it just really do something to your body, man. But I had fun on it. It was a challenge, and that's what I'm here for. I love a challenge. So if you're paying, bring it to me. I'm going to make sure I'm gonna tackle it now, bro. I ain't never letting that beat me. If you want to try to beat me, come on. You know, I love a challenge. With that being said, I mean, that was a nice one.
But that's what we got going on. The music is done. Sounds by the Pound did an awesome job, man. I just want to give y'all the outside view. Look at how minimum that rattle is. That's all I wanted. I told him give me everything in the cabin. He gave me everything in the cabin, but you sound.
If you're not in my world, boy,
everything rap.
It just ain't right. You're a good man, and I'm a good woman too. There's so much
weather stripping on there.
To celebrate.
I can't complain.
It'll last a lifetime. Deep in my heart, I know, baby.
Mid some highs on point. We did brand new wood. Just wrapped over the old ones. Give it a way more modern feel. Went all the way in there. So next I'm gonna wrap the steering wheel so we can match the inside, and then we're gonna figure out some other little small details. But we got ready for Whip Addict. We showed it off at Whip Addict. Real pleased with how the car came out. Show y'all the trunk outside. That boy did his thing. So, appreciate y'all checking it out, looking at it. And hold on, I'm gonna show y'all some new school music. And I said I wouldn't play it, but gotta show y'all how it beat. Let's see what we got.
My favorite bitch just cut me off, and she won't even let me know the reason. She probably wanna hug up messy, hanging ass friends being eaten. Ain't stressing about it, she'll come around when she wanna eat it up. Slow, fast, grinding, and on the real, please. 60 hoes in the room, every dinner. Take it, send it to me soon as they get it. I put made by seats on the spell. Make sure everybody see cargo. You gotta really pay attention on that mom. She tryna help you in the time to look on.
Those 310s going off.
Bobby's baby blue and inside too. I'm feeling like a shit again. They thought I got lucky last time. Fuck it, I'm back on that shit again. My last bag was a crocodile. Kelly got it shiny around the skin. I just get it, bro.
I say, man, completely pleased, dog.
Say the next bill, right after that, I'll go to my boy Scholar with the 72 Chevelle and the 69 Camaro wide, big tubbed out, concave 4G, LT4 in it. Did, what did I do now? I did the front, I did upholstery on the front seats, changed out the seats from factory. Did kick panels, wired up the system, rear deck, full trunk laced out. Actually, I did both his cars at the same time, and I did both of those in less than 2 months. Both cars got the same treatment, and I just appreciate people driving miles and miles away just for me to put my sauce in, in your ride that y'all really work hard for, and y'all put a lot of hard work in these cars, because I see it when I'm taking them apart. I see what's in these cars now. So I wouldn't be saying your name right now if you had a piece of junk. This all top dog stuff. So if your name on the list, you got a nice bill, But my next one after that, I would say my boy Money Piling for Tennessee with the black LS Box Chevy, white interior. Originally, Debo Custom did it. Rest in peace, Casper. I guess he seen my work and he reached out, was like, hey, can you bless me? So I said, hey. He was at Ross Show. He didn't want to bring it back to Tennessee. He wanted to leave it in the city with me. So I took it in, like I adopted it, brought it in the lab, gutted him, snatched everything out and redid all the, you know, at first it's supposed to be in vintage air and console. Turned out he didn't want to take the car. Every time I show him something, he'd go add something. And I'm like, bro, I need to get this car out of here. But he did not want to leave unsauced up. So I ended up doing everything. Full trunk over, rear deck, rear seat console, dash, like I said, vintage air. Man, I did a lot of work in that car. And
gotta cut the lights off when it's time to slide. The murderers I hang around, they got me traumatized. The life I live, I see a killing, I won't say a thing. Except the witness on the mission, he won't say my name. Apartment building, daddy hustling, he was selling cash. The bitch I'm dealing with, she hurt me, ever felt some pain. That struggle made me harder, mama getting fed up. Looking out the window, trying to keep my head up. My partner don't take care of his kids, I say you got a man up. That made a man, but I'd be wrong if I never said nothing. Don't got no love for those who left me, now we ain't speaking. Your partner dead, you know who did it, so why he still breathing? Your bitch got caught texting a nigga, she say that ain't cheating. Nigga, you crazy if you fall for that, cause that don't wanna take the time out to tell you I'm done. And I'm gon' keep it real. Yeah, I know I hurt to find out that they was lying about feeling the way you feel. But you gotta suck it up, toughen up. Don't get that money, baby, we gon' run it up. My dog crossed me, now he missed me, yeah, he knew what it was. I stayed silent from the jump, yeah, I'm so tired of broken love.
Big Sam told me when they painted you a picture, don't let them paint you another picture. Saying I switched sides, but you fuck with who tried to get me at you. Fake friends smiling in my face when send it at my temple. Package on my cap or get me whacked and recorrect my dentures. They did not believe what I was bred to be when I was little. They did not believe that I would one day get us out these trenches. My mother telling me they play with me to pull them out their middle. My mama so pussy, I'm just pretending like I wasn't looking. Maybe that's the only reason that I always fall in love with her. Standing in the kitchen, fucking dope, trying to learn no bed. I know this bitch gon' fuck one of my partners, I go back to jail. I don't get a bond, just hold it down, I come on, we can share.
I wanna take the time out to tell you I'm dead, and I'm gon' keep it real. Yeah, I know it hurt to find out that I was lying, feeling the way you feel. But you gotta suck it up, toughen up. Don't get that money, baby, we gon' run it up. My dog crossed me, now he missed me, yeah, he knew what it was. I stayed silent from the jump, yeah, I'm so tired of broken love.
Kind of stressed out for me at the time because I did it by myself. I didn't have no help. I might have called a couple of my close partners. Hey, bro, I need a hand. I need you to help me take the seat out. Or, you know, and I salute to all my buddies who really come through when I need a hand for finishing these cars. And people don't understand it's a lot of work to get these cars out of here when you're one man. I'm operating everything. I operate these machines. I design, I rap, you know, it's a lot. So when people think I'm gonna be done in a day or two, it may not be that way because I'm a human too. I'm not a robot. So, but at the end of the day, I really enjoyed working on that car, and it just give you that good rush when I'm done, and I post it on my page, and you have the whole car community like really loving it. You know, there's some people that love it and won't say they like it, but I know in my heart, I know y'all really love that shit. So from now on, if you're looking at this video, just give me my flowers, dog. I've been doing this shit long as y'all been goddamn playing with cars. So, I mean, I'm just a pioneer in the game. Yeah. Every time I post something, he go crazy. So that's all I'm here for, man, to make everybody happy and, you know, just to leave my stamp in the street. So when I leave the game, y'all gonna remember who ran it around these years right here. So salute. And to the next man who wanna take the torch, hey man, I'm willing to pass it to you, but you gotta show me you're worth taking it. Or we're not. I wanna thank y'all for tapping in, checking me out, listening to to my store, me, Certified Shops with Whips by Wade. You know, if you're in the area or you're a shop that want to get certified, tap in, tell them to come by, you do your thing. Hey, let's put all this car shit back on the map, man. Let's get this thing back popping like it was 10, 15 years ago. So, hey, like I say, salute everybody. Thanks for shopping with me. All my customers. Hey, man, I love all y'all. Continue to keep putting these cars together the right way. You know what I mean? So we all we got, y'all. So let's get it. Let's get it. Make sure y'all tap in with Wade, man, for real. Turn your like button, your subscribe buttons, your whistles, your bells. Turn it all on, man. Hey, man. Hey, and this sounds about a pound, and I stamped that for real. For sure.